What is this?
The film camera, bro.
This camera can do video or
No, only photo, and it's an analog film camera from the Soviet Union back to like 80s or 70s, if I remember correctly.
okay, what is this?
This is remote shutter, so you just screw it into place out there, this hole. Screw it into place, just like that, and after you can put the camera on the tripod and then push it down. It will make a photo, and the camera will not shake in this event.
Okay, very cool camera.
Yeah, I can't open it because the film is loaded right now.
Okay, what is model?
Zenit 122. It's just a regular Soviet Union type of camera. It was this design was made out like the Canon camera FE1, FE2, and the Nikon of that age. The same. They all look just alike each other.